Here is a quick step-by-step on how to connect your Android phone to your Mercedes-Benz. In this video, we will show you how to connect to Android Auto, pair with Bluetooth to your onboard infotainment system, as well as how to integrate text messaging. First, let's set up Android Auto. Make sure your car is on, in a safe location, and in park. Then connect your phone with either a USB-C cord like this, or a normal USB-A with an adapter like this. If you don't have one of these cords, you may purchase one by contacting your local authorized Mercedes-Benz dealer. You'll then follow the prompts. Click Update on your phone to download the Android Auto app if you haven't already. Then, on your phone, allow access to various features and information by clicking Next on the associated menus. Then click Continue. Allow access to messages. Then, just let it connect, and you and your Android Auto should be activated. Now, if for any reason you want to get back to the MBUX interface, just select the Mercedes-Benz icon. To return to Android Auto, just select the Android Auto icon. Next, let's learn how to pair your Android to your infotainment system using Bluetooth. Note, for this, you will not need a cord at all. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on under Settings. Then, select the connected phone icon under the main phone icon on your home screen. Next, select Connect New Device. Your phone's name will appear, and select it to connect. A pairing request will pop up on your phone. To proceed, click Pair. And now you are connected. You can now share contacts, music, and other features like sending and receiving text messages. Next time you get in your car, it should automatically pair as long as your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. So there you have it. Your phone is now connected, paired, and most importantly, part of your Mercedes-Benz experience.